Hello guys, welcome again in the channel. On this video I'm going to show you how to take a video with a Nikon D3100 camera. So my model here is the lemonade here, and I'll be just focusing on the tip of the lemonade bottle with the camera. Basically all you want to do is turn the camera on, so basically moving this from left to right, and then you'll see this display come up. Once that's on, all you want to do is pull this handle or lever to the right slightly, and that's when the live view option will come up. And as you can see, it's count down on the left hand side. Basically that's saying that this view would disappear in basically 19-18 seconds if nothing is done. So taking the video, then I'll firstly focus on the screw cap. So at this time I've got a total focus, and once I'm happy with the focus, all I have to do is press that red button over there, and by doing that it will start recording the video. And with Nikon D3100 it has got a limit of under 10 minutes for videos. So yeah, it's taking a 1080 pixel video with 20 frames per second. And once you're done taking the video, all you have to do is press on the red button here again, and that will stop taking the video. And that's how you take video on a Nikon D3100 camera, guys. Cheers for watching this video, guys. If this video helped, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll be back with next video. Stay safe everyone, take care, bye.